This screencast will give you a quick sneak peek into assignment groups, including what they are, when you might use them, how to delete them, and how to retrieve them. So firstly, what are assignment groups? Assignment groups allow me to categorize any graded item in Blend, including assignments, quizzes, new quizzes, and graded discussion boards. They can most easily be accessed by clicking here on the left-hand navigation where it says assignments so that I can see the default assignment categories in Blend. Usually there will only be this one called assignments, but there might be another assignment group called imported assignments if I have imported content into my course here. So I do have some items that I've imported so that it falls into this category here. Assignment groups show up in the gradebook at the very end. So some of you may have noticed that there are percent columns at the very end here. Those come from my assignment groups. So notice I have assignments and imported assignments. If I want to add more so that students get a clear view of the types of work they're turning in, I can always add a new group here and then titling it something that matches perhaps my team's Frontline SIS gradebook. So maybe this is daily practice. And then maybe I can add another group that says quizzes. And then lastly, I might add tests and projects. And so assignment groups allow me to give students and caregivers a heads up as to the type of assignment they'll be turning in. And if I'd like, I can even weigh them. So right now there are no items in this assignment group. I can either add new assignments or I can just drag assignments I've already created. So the default, if I don't categorize them, will be that everything is lumped into this thing called assignments. But if I click on the dots here on the left, I can drag them to different categories. So I can take content I've already created and sort them into their respective assignment groups. I can also weigh them by clicking here on the three dots, clicking on assignment groups weight, checking this box, and then typing in values as I see fit. So this might match my gradebook and Teams Frontline SIS if I'd like. And then when I go to the gradebook, if I click on grades, at the very end of my gradebook, I'll have those weighted columns there, those percentage values, where I can see the percentage that gets calculated into the total here. So notice that I have my new assignment groups and their percentage values. So what happens if I accidentally delete something? Let's go back to assignments on the left-hand navigation, and maybe I accidentally, let me refresh. Maybe I accidentally delete daily practice. So I don't want that anymore. The first thing Blend does, if there are assignments there, is that Blend tells me, are you sure you want to delete it? It has something in it. It tells me I can delete the assignment or move it to a new group. And let's say I accidentally delete daily practice. It's gone. How do I get it back? I can get it back by going to my address bar here and at the end of the course number, typing in the word undelete. So it doesn't do it by most recent deletion. So you will have to search some of the things that you have deleted. So I need to restore some of these items here, including my daily practice assignment group. When I do that, if I open the link in the new tab, notice that I had to restore both the assignment group and the item that went in it. So I did not restore the right item. So my daily practice is currently empty. I need to restore the item I deleted. And I have so many items here I don't remember, but keep in mind that restoring the assignment group does not restore the assignments within it. I have to restore the actual assignment that was in it as well. So I can't remember what I deleted in this screencast, but I can, let's say, let me refresh to see if some of the items I've restored have come back. And they have. So here's this Nearpod thing that I restored. It automatically defaults to putting it back in assignments, but I can drag it to the assignment group that I have re-restored. Good luck.